So, right now, we are on the way to Porcupine Mountains. Yeah, so we're just sleeping in Jenny's car. Okay guys, it's the next morning. We're gonna go backpack. So right now we're packing up and just getting organized. We're just gonna do one night and it's gonna be good. We're ready to go. And by the way, this is our first time backpacking together, so we're pretty excited.
You were broken and battered, cold and afraid of the night, lonely and shattered.
Extreme! Jenny just knocked this tree over with her bare hands. This looks so cool. Doesn't that look cool? She is strong as frick. Yeah, I told Jenny that popcorn isn't a good camping snack. And she got so mad that she pushed that red pine over. Oh my gosh. JW popcorn. Add her on Snapchat. Jenny, you straight up look like a man.
Gender is a social construct.
It is. I agree. You just have a traditionally male haircut. There's a mosquito on your forehead. Oh, you got it. To what song?
Jemily Extreme crosses a stream.
So we have to cross this.
Whoa. What should we do? We found an alternative route. This tree takes us right across it. Nailed it. Oh! We just crossed another stream and we are hearing thunder and it's raining, so it's going well, but it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, we got this.
Jenny, do we got this?
Yes!
So Jenny and I just spent like 10 minutes making Snapchat videos.
And we're still going.
We're pieces of
JW popcorn.
Look at this beauty though. We just made it.
Well, we made it to the lake.
And it's exciting. Jenny is being Mr. Negative right now. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. I am blown away. Like, we are just... Here's the lake. We are just on the shore. It's so pretty. Jenny, do you think it pays to be an organized backpacker? Burn! It's fine. I'm also very unorganized. It's so beautiful. Lake Superior for miles. Jenny, how do you feel? Classy. Oh.
She's doing yoga on the beach. So he's probably gonna edit my voice out because I'm an annoying little person. Namaste. Woo woo. Lake Superior, Lake Superior, Lake Superior. Porcupine Mountains, Porcupine Mountains, Porcupine Mountains. Upper Peninsula, Upper Peninsula, Upper Peninsula, Upper Peninsula. Woo 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 woo. Yeah. I'm home. We found our home.
This is where we're staying. And this is like the party campground. Look at all this wood! Love it! And there is the lake where we will get our water. There is a little bear pole so we can hang up our food. This is our new home. Day 2 of mac and cheese by the lake. We literally spent like a half hour trying to start this thing.
But it's going. This is Lake Superior in the cold time. I mean,
It's June.
I'm gonna jump in, and I don't want to because it's cold, but I think afterwards I'll feel refreshed and accomplished. Woo-hoo-hoo.
3, 2, 1. Woo! Did it!
Did it!
How does it feel?
But good.
Look at Lake Superior's beauty.
The water 45 degrees. We wade out to the knees and soak to the slaves in a semi-aquatic prayer. Great state, what state am I in? Compass roses bloom again. Home of the water, Canada's daughter, cradled in a crescent moon grin.
Look.
Michigan and again and again and again and again.
Along Lake Superior.
Michigan and again.
Maybe backpacking and being outside isn't your thing, and that's okay. You don't have to force something that isn't there. But I encourage you to find something that makes you happy, that gives you joy, and do it. Just live life to the best of your ability. Be your best self. Make great changes in the world. Be happy. Have fun.
Day 2. We woke up and guess what? We were basically in a flood.
Oh,
It rained like all night. It was rough. But we powered through and we're heading back now. We have about 4.5 miles to go.
5.5 miles, 4.5 plus 1. But, what time is it? Because I bet we could crank it out in like 2 hours or
Alright,
even
let's
less.
do this.
Let's.
We're still alive. We're still alive, but barely.
Our deadline. Just a few obstacles.
Okay, first of all, this is what our trail looks like right now. There's our trail. It's a freaking stream. And yeah, so this is how it's going. We're completely soaked, both so muddy. Our backpacks are completely wet. But you know what? We were just thinking like this is, I don't know, we chose to do this, and like I was saying, I'll look back on this day and think like, wow, that was actually really fun. And it is. This is cool. Like, we'll have a great story to tell.
Yeah. What great survival story started with I had all the maps and
Yeah. So, but also don't be an idiot because, yeah, we both had a map and we stupidly didn't put them in bags and they're completely destroyed now. So, yeah, this is the life we're living right now. But it's honestly good. Well, it's the end of our journey. The beginning of the next. We're sitting in a parking lot in Duluth. It was rough at times, but I still learned a lot about like myself and Emily, I guess. What? Well, I learned about you. We learned together. Yeah, we learned a lot on this trip. Backpacking in the rain. is rough.
Starting fires in the rain.
Coping and dealing with poop pains.
Even though it was like wet and like we were literally walking in a stream, it was fun.
It was.
And I'm glad we did it.
Me too.
Alright, we'll see you guys next time.
Stay wild. Jemily Extreme.
This is how to build a fire and a relationship.
Relationships are like starting a fire after a light rain. It's a lot of work, but it can get very hot and steamy.
It's the little things that matter in relationships. When starting a fire and a relationship, you have to make sure to not get the logs out too soon.
I got baby wipes.
Yeah, she did. Are you telling? Yeah, so Jenny...
I don't know what happened, but my butthole really hurts. And I hope it feels better because, man, it hurts. Like, it hurts real good.
What? That was creepy.
Jenny, it's okay. It's never okay.